Stay Gurubhiyo Namaga children. Welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. Today we are going to see 9th standard state board maths. The topic is coordinate geometry exercise 5.5. First question. Find the centroid of a triangle whose vertices are 2, minus 4, minus 3, minus 7 and 7, 2. What is given in the question, children? The vertices of a triangle is given. We need to find out the centroid of a triangle. Okay. Triangle ABC is the vertices. Here A value 2, minus 4 and B value minus 3, minus 7, C value 7, 2. Okay. So this one represents x1, y1. x2, y2 and this one is x3, y3. Okay. First write the formula. Centroid g of x, y equal to g of x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Okay. In this we are going to substitute the values. Okay. Here x1 value 2, x2 value minus 3 plus of minus 3 plus x3 value 7 divided by 3, y1 minus 4, then y2 minus 7, y3 2 divided by 3. Two plus into minus, minus 3 plus 7 by 3, minus 4 plus into minus, minus 7 plus 2 divided by 3. See here, these two numbers are positive. First you add it. 2 plus 7, 9. 9 minus 3, 6. 6 by 3, here minus 4, minus 7. When we add this, what you will get, children? Minus 11. Minus 11 plus 2, what you will get? Minus 9 by 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. So what is the answer, children? 2, minus 3. Centroid equal to 2, minus 3. Is it clear, children? See the next one. If the centroid of a triangle is 4, minus 2. Here in this question centroid is given. Okay. And two of its vertices are 3, minus 2 and 5, 2. Okay. So then find the third vertex of the triangle. Okay. In a triangle we have three vertex A, B, C. The one vertex is 3, minus 2. Other one is 5, 2. The third vertex is not given in the question. That we are going to find. Let us consider as x3, y3. Okay. Then centroid is given. Okay. So centroid equal to 4, minus 2. Then two vertices are given. The third vertex we are going to find. Okay. Let the third vertex be, x3, y3. Okay. So first write the formula, children. G of x, y equal to g of x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Okay. In this you substitute the values. Here x1 value, this is x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay. So first g value rate, centroid value is 4 comma minus 2 equal to, substitute the value x1 3 plus x2 5 plus x3 by 3 comma y1 minus 2 y2 plus 2 plus y3 by 3. Okay. So 3 plus 5 8, 8 plus x3 by 3 comma, here minus 2 plus 2 cancel, remaining y3 by 3 equal to 4 comma minus 2. Okay. Now you should equate the x coordinates with x and y coordinates with y. Okay. So 8 plus x3 by 3 equal to 4. Okay. So 8 plus x3 equal to, cross multiply this, 3 4s are 12. x3 equal to 12 minus 8, because addition will change other side, subtraction. 12 minus 8, what you will get, children? 4. So x3 equal to 4. Next we need to find out y3. Just equate the y coordinate. y3 by 3 equal to minus 2. Okay. Cross multiply this. y3 equal to minus 6. So therefore the third vertex is the third vertex is x3 4 comma minus 6. 4 comma minus 6. Do you understand, children? The next one, third question, find the length of median. Find the length of median through A of a triangle whose vertices are A of minus 1 comma 3, B of 1 comma minus 1 and C of 5 comma 1. A triangle, the vertices are given A of minus 1 comma 3 and B of 1 comma minus 1 and C of 5 comma 1. Okay. So we need to find out the length of the median through A. So this is the median, here D. So D is the midpoint of BC. Okay. So D of x comma y is the midpoint of BC. First we need to find out the D coordinates, then we need to find out the length of the median. Okay. So here midpoint formula, what is the midpoint formula, children? Midpoint equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay. Now substitute here x1 value 1 and x2 5. 1 plus 5 by 2 comma y1 minus 1, y2 plus 1 by 2. So D of x comma y equal to 1 plus 5, 6 by 2 comma minus 1 plus 1. Cancel this, 0, 0 by 2. What you will get, children? 0 by 2, 0 only. So 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 3 comma 0 by 2, 0. So the D coordinate is 3 comma 0. 3 comma 0. Next we are going to find the length of the median. Here the median is AD. Okay. So AD is the median. So length of AD equal to, here we are going to use the distance formula. Finding the length we are going to use distance formula. So distance formula, root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Okay. Here A coordinates you write it here minus 1 comma 3 and D coordinates 3 comma 0. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2. Substitute here x2 value 3 minus of minus 1 the whole square plus y2 value 0, 0 minus 3 the whole square. Okay. 3 minus into minus plus. So plus 1 the whole square plus 0 minus 3, what you will get children? Minus 3. Minus 3 the whole square. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 square plus minus 3 the whole square. 4 square 16 plus minus 3 the whole square, what you will get children? Plus 9. Now you add this 25. So square root of 25 is 5 units. So therefore the length of median equal to 5 units. Is it clear children? See the next one, fourth one. The vertices of a triangle are 1, 2, h, minus 3 and minus 4, k. If the centroid of the triangle, centroid is given, centroid of the triangle is 5, minus 1. Then find the value of root of h plus k the whole square plus h plus 3k the whole square. First we need to find out the value of h and k. Next we need to find this. Okay children? Triangle ABC, the coordinate is 1, 2, h, minus 3 and minus 4, k. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Okay. First we need to find out the h and k value. Here centroid is given. Okay. Centroid equal to 5, minus 1. Write the formula children. G of x, y equal to g of x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Okay. Here you substitute the value. G of x, y is 5, minus 1 equal to, here x1 1 plus x2 h plus x3 minus 4 divided by 3, y1 2, y2 minus 3 plus y3 k by 3. So 5, minus 1 equal to, here 1 plus h plus into minus, minus 4. Minus 4 by 3, 2 plus into minus, minus 3 plus k by 3. So 1 plus 1 minus 4, you will get minus 3 plus h by 3, 2 minus 3, what you will get children? Minus 1. Minus 1 plus k by 3. Just equate the coordinates children. 5, minus 1. First equate the x coordinate. Minus 3 plus h by 3 equal to 5. Okay. Cross multiply this. Minus 3 plus h equal to 15. H equal to 15. The minus 3 will change other side, plus 3. So h equal to 18. h equal to 18. Okay, next equate the y coordinates. Minus 1 plus k by 3 equal to minus 1. Cross multiply this. Minus 1 plus k equal to minus 3. K equal to minus 3. Minus 1 will change plus 1. So k equal to minus 2. Okay. So h value 18, k value minus 2. These two values we are going to substitute in that. Okay. K equal to minus 2, h equal to 80. These values I am going to substitute in that. Okay. So root of h plus k the whole square plus h plus 3k the whole square. This value we need to find out. Okay. So in this we substitute here h value 18 plus of minus 2 the whole square plus 18 plus 3 into minus 2 the whole square. 18 plus into minus, minus 2 the whole square plus 18 plus into minus, minus 3 2s are 6 the whole square. 18 minus 2, 16 square plus 18 minus 6, 12. 12 square. So root of 16 square, what is the answer children? 256 plus 12 square 144. Add this. 4 plus 6 10, 0 remaining 1. 4 plus 5 9, 9 plus 1 10, 0 remaining 1. 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4. So how can you split this? 20 into 20. So the square root of 400 is 20. So therefore root of h plus k the whole square plus h plus 3k the whole square equal to 20. Is it clear children? I hope it is clear. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you children.